guys, we play a lot of games in our house, family of five, and so we were super excited when the company sent over this game mat. Now it is for Mahjong, and of course, it comes with your dice. I really like how it's quiet. So if my husband and I are wanting to play some sort of game, with the dice, it's going to be a little bit quieter so we don't wake up the kids. So it comes with the 6 little dice. They're super cute. And then it also comes with a set of these cards. So it also has the holder to where all of the cards are going to fit nicely back in here. And I like the cards because they're a little bit thicker. They're not flimsy paper. So that's nice, but they do all fit back in here along with the dice. So that's really cool. It goes into this little carrying case. But the mat is really soft. It does have a non-slip grip on the back, so that way it's not moving on the table. Also, it's going to be water resistant, a little repel the water. So I got a little water here so you can see it's going to pool. So that way, you can get a rag, you can get a towel, we could get a towel and we could soak up that water to where it's not going to soak up into the mat. So that's really nice. See, it's still repelling there. But really nice to have if you are someone who likes to play Mahjong, or it could be used for any kind of games. Really pretty color. I think there's 3 other color options that you can get, but you don't have to get the black and gold. But one other thing that I do like is that it's a little bit hard. We are going to roll it up this way. So if I take it, because the non-slip, it does have a carrying case. If I can get it to roll, mercy sakes. There we go. And I hope that it fits in the bag. Okay, and it does have a traveling carrying case. So if you wanted to take the game mat with you somewhere, you could. And it's just going to slide in there. If I had it rolled to where the non-slip was facing out, and it was pretty challenging to get it into the bag, and it just slips in there. And it's also kind of cool because the cards do fit in there too. You're just going to get them in there real snug. So if you need to carry the cards with the game mat, you sure could do that. If I can get it in there. So you could just slide them in there. And it does have a drawstring top. But overall, an awesome mat to use for multiple games. You could do puzzles. You could do a lot of different stuff with it. And it's gonna protect your table. So like here, all of our table, it's not gonna get beat up by all of the dominoes or the dice. So it's going to protect my table. It's going to repel water, but it's also really easy that I can travel with me. But yeah, you could buy it for someone for Christmas, birthdays. Anybody can use it, kids, grown-ups, whatever you need. But thank you again to the company for sending this over to us. And if you're looking for a game mat, definitely one I'd recommend.